Welcome to What's Up Wednesday Tech Edition, Alexa for Home Caregivers. This week we're going to look at how to make a personalized Alexa skill for a patient in the home environment using Alexa's new blueprints. We're going to be using an existing template. You can access it by going to blueprints.amazon.com and signing in with your Amazon account, selecting a template or creating your own. For this particular example, we're going to be selecting the babysitting template to fill out for our specific patient. As you can see, you can fill in daily schedules. You can also add special notes, so things like allergies, medications, maybe special notes in this area. You can also add where to find things in the home. This is particularly useful in the home environment if you have a lot of medical equipment. You also can add how to do things, so something like flush a catheter, or how to keep the catheter out of the way for this particular patient, which uses Caroline wraps. And you can also add emergency contacts. Next, you want to customize the experience with the intro. So this one says, "Thank you for caring for William." However, he likes to be called Billy, so it gives a little bit more information. And you can also call the skill something different than babysitting. In this example, we're going to call it Billy's Caregivers. So now we are creating the skill. It does take a couple of minutes for it to go live. This will be live on your specific device, anything that's signed in with your Amazon account. And you also can go back and edit the skills. So let's test it out. Alexa, Billy's Caregivers.
Thank you for helping out with William today. William likes to be called Billy. He gets anxious around new people, so please take time to introduce yourself to him. He loves sports and the Celtics. K. You can ask about schedules, allergies, medicines, how things work, where to find things, emergency contacts, or special notes. What would you like?
Morning schedule.
Sure. For morning, Billy wakes up at 6:30 in the morning. He likes to lay in bed for 10 minutes before he gets up for the day. He is picky about his breakfast, so please ask him before you make anything. His tutor arrives at 8 and works with him until his physical therapist comes at 11:30.
Special notes.
Billy Home Health Company comes in daily to check his equipment and oxygen status. He loves Nick, who comes on Wednesday afternoons. Nick usually spends a little time with Billy before he leaves. I can also give you information on medications or allergies. What else would you like to know?
How do you keep the catheter out of the way?
We use Caroline wraps. They are located in the hall closet in the labeled blue bin. He has 2 central line wraps that we rotate through, but his favorite is the orange one. What else would you like to know?
I need an emergency contact.
There are 4 contacts. Here is contact info for Kate Donovan, Mom, 555-555-5555. More?
No, thank you. Goodbye.
Bye for now. Thanks again.
If you need to edit things, just sign back into Blueprints, click on the skills you've made, and then click Edit. If you're interested in learning about more ways that voice is being used in healthcare, consider joining us at the Voice.Health Summit 2018, Wednesday, October 17th in Boston, Massachusetts. You can go to voice.health to find out more information. Hope to see you there.